Installing the first bracket. The first element to be fixed to the roof is the bracket. There are two types of brackets: primary, identified by the digit 1, and intermediate, identified by the digit 2. Both are used to support profiles and panels, but differ in the way they are applied. The primary bracket is placed where the edge of the panel will be installed. The intermediate bracket is used as a support in the middle of the panel. Position the primary bracket, identified by the digit 1, starting from the outermost lower point of the roof. Always position the brackets with the digit facing the upper edge of the roof. This applies to both the primary brackets and the intermediate brackets. Then screw the bracket to the roof using screws. At this stage, use 2 screws, placing them diagonally opposite each other. This way, you do not have to unscrew all the screws if we need to adjust the position. Pre-screw the brackets using a low torque on the screwdriver.